Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Bitdefender Antivirus Edition on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So we have Bitdefender here. Now, one thing is that I can search for Bitdefender in the Windows search bar and click on uninstall. Then I can click on the three dots associated with the Bitdefender agent and uninstall it. Okay. And then I can click on these three dots here and uninstall this one as well. Okay, so it needs a while to uninstall. I just click on remove. But that's a different thing. We can uninstall it, but what about the files that it leaves on the system? The files that will detect with Defender when we reinstall it. So they are also a problem. You might want to remove them as well. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup. Okay, and then click on OK. And then check all the boxes here, each and every one of them, and then you can click on OK and then on delete files. Do it immediately after uninstalling the Bitdefender antivirus, and it will remove all the files associated with Bitdefender. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.